Hello everyone, today you will learn about 15 incredible inventions. We start with the wing bicycle, which is a bicycle with attached wings that allow you to rise to a height of up to 4 meters and soar in a waterfall. The dragonfly is a robotic quadcopter that mimics the flight of a dragonfly. It was led by a high maneuverability and waterfall crash flyer created by Professor Matthew Wiltz at the University of Tel Aviv. An amphibious vehicle is a vehicle that can travel on land and water. Has a speed of up to 45 km per hour on land and up to 70 km per hour on water. A scooter plane is a small aircraft capable of flying at an altitude of up to 3 km at a speed of up to 100 km per hour. Created by computing company Skyrunner. A flying car is a car that can fly over a waterfall like a small plane. It can fly at an altitude of up to 4 km and reach speeds of up to 180 km per hour. An electric skateboard is a device that allows you to move at high speed using electricity. It has a fast engine that reaches speeds of up to 45 km per hour and allows you to drive long distances without fatigue. A delivery robot is a robot that can deliver various items using its sensors and cameras for navigation. He can move like the streets. A dream viewer is a device that allows a person to infect their computers. It works on the basis of an electroencephalogram, which measures brain activity during sleep and can be used to study and understand dreams. A robot vacuum cleaner is a robot that automatically cleans the floor in the house. It can be programmed for cleaning mode and operate without a human administrator. A laser keyboard is a device that projects an image onto any surface and allows you to type text using a laser beam. It is a more compact set than a regular keyboard. An unmanned truck is a truck that can drive without a driver. It is equipped with sensors and cameras for navigation and can be used to deliver goods over long distances. A real-time language translation device is a device that allows you to translate conversations in different real-time modes. It can be used to communicate with people from other countries and without language barriers. A device for creating a hologram is a device that allows you to create three-dimensional images and projections of air. It uses laser projection production, which creates the illusion of a hologram. A vacuum elevator is an elevator that travels along a vertical tube using a vacuum structure. It can reach speeds up to 1,000 km per hour and can be used to quickly move people and goods between floors. 3D printer device aimed at recreating a natural object from a three-dimensional model. Primitive first installations were developed about 30 years ago. An electric scooter is an electric transport that allows you to quickly move along city streets and not linger in traffic jams. It is equipped with a battery that allows it to travel a long distance on a single charge. A reading tablet is a device that allows you to read e-books and magazines, present photos, and watch videos. Interactive glasses are a device that allows you to control a computer or mobile application using gestures and eye captures. It is more functional and innovative in the game than a regular mouse or keyboard.